Welcome to my channel, ABC Spark World.
A for apple, A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish, F for fish. G for grass, G for grass, G for grass. H for house, H for house, H for house. I for ice cream, I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker, J for joker. K for kite, K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nose, N for nose, N for nose. O for onion, O for onion, O for onion. P for parrot, P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sun, S for sun. T for tomato, T for tomato, T for tomato. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch, W for watch. X for x-ray, X for x-ray, X for x-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zebra.
A is for astronaut, floating in space. B is for banana with a funny face. C is for clown with a big red nose. D is for dinosaur with really big toes. Phonics, phonics, hippo wearing polka dot pants. Phonics, phonics, come and join the fun, learning our letters one by one. From A to Z we'll laugh and play, with funny sounds we'll learn the way. I is for ice cream, melting on the floor. J is for jelly, wobbling some more. K is for kangaroo, bouncing with delight. L is for llama, laughing with all its might. Phonics, phonics, come and join the fun, learning our letters one by one. From A to Z we'll laugh and play, with funny sounds we'll learn the way. N is for monkey, swinging from a vine. N is for ninja, doing tricks so fine. O is for octopus, juggling some balls. P is for penguin, sliding down the halls. Phonics, phonics, sliding down the halls. Q is for quack, like a duck in a pond. R is for robot, dancing to a funny song. S is for snail, sliding really slow. T is for tiger, roaring with